Well, I'm in a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your display clock time. So first make sure your vehicle's on, and then from here we can do settings, and then we'll scroll down to clock, hit enter, and then you can adjust multiple settings like whether you want it to display, whether you want it 24-hour or 12-hour, if it's daylight savings time or not. The time zone here, you hit OK and then select whichever time zone you're in. Go back when you need to, and adjust clock here is where you can then manually adjust the hours up or down. And then your minutes here. And then OK when you're done, and it'll just auto update everything. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.